Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to show or hide comment in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel. So here you can see I have data, item list and quantity. In this data, I already add some comments in item list. Okay. For that, I just simply select the cell, and to show the comments, right click on the cell and click on the show or hide comments option. So click on it and you can see your comments it show. If you want to hide again, right click again and click on the hide comment option. So this is the way you can show the comments and hide. And the second way, just select the cell and go to the review tab. In comments group, click on the show hide comment, same option you're showing. You can see the comment is show. If you want to hide again, click on the same option, hide the comment. And if you want to show all comments, just click on the show all comments. See the all comments is showing. If you want to hide all, click on the same option to hide the all comments. Okay. So this is the way you can show or hide comments in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.